Do you know what is dictionary in Python? Hi, this is Krupali from KnowHow Academy. So let's start with me. Before going ahead, let me tell you what you are going to learn in this video. In this video, you will learn why there is a need of dictionary in Python and what is dictionary in Python. Then we will see different dictionary method available in Python. And last, you will learn what is the difference between list and dictionary in Python. So let's start. So first of all, let me tell you why there is a need of dictionary in Python. As you have already learned list concept in Python. So here when we are dealing with the list, each item in a list has a particular numeric index. We cannot give any character as an index. So automatically all the items in a list are stored sequentially and the index will start with the 0 and till the number of items. So this way dictionary data structure is stored. What if you want to give character as an index? So in list it is not possible, but that you can do it with the dictionary in Python. Dictionary can have numeric index or it can have character index in Python. So let's start implementing dictionary in Python. So I have created a Google Colab sheet where I will tell you how you can implement dictionary program. So first of all, we will start with making a simple dictionary. Then we will print data of the dictionary. So if you want to make a dictionary, you should use the curly braces in Python. So let's say here, I want to make a dictionary. The name of a dictionary is the data and equal to, if you write like this, dictionary will be made but it do not contain any value. And if you want to print, then let's see what can be. Here it is saying that dictionary is empty. What if I want to give data in a dictionary? Basically data structure is used for storing data, right? So let's say here write data and then you need to write curly bracket, and inside a curly bracket you need to store the elements. So first of all, I want to store the name of a person as well as age of the person as well as in which city they are living. Okay, so here first of all I need to give a key in the dictionary. So as like in a list it has an index, but here in a dictionary index is considered it as a key. So let's say here I need to write the key inside a double quotation. See here the name of a person. So name is a key and what I want to store. So I want to store John, I want to store age of the person as well as city. So here you can see that name is a key and what is the value with that. So the name value is John and whatever value you want to give to that particular key is separated by colon. Let's say age. So here age is a key, but what is the value of that key? So the value of the key is 30. So if you are assigning any numeric value, so you no need to write it in double quotation. And same way city and whatever the city value you want to give. And let's say if you want to print that dictionary, so you need to write print, then data. So you can see that dictionary data is printed. So this is the first way of initializing dictionary. This is the second way of initializing dictionary. Now there is a third way to assign value inside a dictionary. How you can do that? So first of all you need to write data. Then you need to write dict. That is a function, inbuilt function is there, and inside that you can store the value. So let's say here you want to store name. Here no need to give double quotation to the key value. So here equal to, then you need to write, let's say I want to assign my name, let's say Krupali. Then I want to give another value, that is age. Here no need to write colon, but here you need to write equal to. So age, let's say 30. And then let's say city equal to New York. So here I can give dictionary like that, and if you want to print it, it can be printed like that. So this is the first way of initializing value inside dictionary. This is the second way of initializing dictionary. The third way is that, let's say you have a list which contains some item and you have another list which contains some item. So basically you will make one list which contain the key value, and second you will make a list which contain the value of that particular key. So how you can make dictionary using list? So let's say first make a list. Let's say the name of a list is key and equal to, I am writing here the name, then age, and then city. Okay, and values I am creating that, let's say name equal to Krupali, let's say age equal to 40, and city she is living with, okay, age I don't want to assign it in a double quotation. So city, let's say here New York. Okay, then I want to make dictionary based on this two list. So how you can make it? So data equal to, then you need to write dictionary. Now here one Google Colab has a feature that when you try to write some code, it will give suggestion. So here in light color font, whatever you are getting, this is called suggestion by Google. So this is a AI, or AI is also integrated in that. So no need to remember all the things all the time coding, but try to understand the concept what you are doing. Okay, so you need to write dictionary, then inside that, inside the round bracket, you need to write zip. Then first you need to mention the key. So my key value, list name is key, and then I want to mention the values. Okay, so let's say here value spelling I have write it wrong. So let me correct it. So values. So here this way dictionary is made with the two lists. So one list contains the key and the second list contains the value, and automatically key value pair concept will be formed. So let's say here if I write or if I print the data, you will get dictionary like that. So this way also you can assign value inside a dictionary. Second way, here in the dictionary I am giving only 1% value. But let's say if I want to store 3% value, if I want to store 4% value, so how can I store that? So for that you need to make dictionary inside a dictionary. So how you can make that? So let's say here you want to make a dictionary. So data, then write a bracket, then first of all you need to give a row number, or let's say here I am giving a row number as a let's say person 1. Then you need to write a comma and you need to give a value inside that. So here this is my dictionary first row and it contain what? It contain another dictionary. So let's say name, then I am storing my name, let's say Krupali, and another value I am storing, that is age, and let's say age is 30. So this is the first person value inside a dictionary. Same way you can just press the tab key, automatically second person value will be there, then third person value will be there, and so on. So let me change the value. Okay, so 3% data I have stored, and let me print it. So data is printed like that. If you just write like this, print and data, you will get data like that. Okay, so here we can say this is the entire dictionary and it is stored inside a dictionary. So here you can say this is a nested dictionary. So this way you can initialize or you can give data inside a dictionary. Now the next thing you will learn that which are the different method of dictionary. Let's say you want to get only the value of the dictionary, not key. If you write like this, it will print key and its respective value. But I don't want to print like this. I want to print only the key value. So here you need to write dot and if you write keys, keys, and empty bracket, it will print only the key values. Okay, so here name, age and city, these are the key value. Let's say if you want to print what are the values inside that. So here you can write data dot values. So it will print the respective value of the particular key. So this is the key method which will get the key data, and this is the values method which will print the values. So the third method is, let's say, print data dot items. Now if you execute it, oops, there is an error. Let me just complete the bracket. So it will print the dictionary but in a different form. So let's say if you are printing dictionary using a print statement, it is printing like that. But let's say if you print a dictionary like this, name of the dictionary dot items, there is a property. So it will print dictionary like that, in round bracket key and its value, in second round bracket key and its value, and so on. This way of storing data is called tuple. Okay, I will create a video of tuple, so don't worry if you do not know anything about tuple. Tuple is also one kind of data structure. For this time, keep this thing in your mind. So this way it will get the data. Now let's say you want to clear the item of the dictionary. So what you need to write? Data dot clear. Okay, so it will delete all the items from the dictionary. Okay, and let's say if you print it, it will print nothing. Okay, so I just make a clear of that. So just let me make another time dictionary. Now let's say if you want to copy the dictionary in another dictionary. So let's say here data1 equal to data dot copy. So it will print entire data of a first dictionary into another dictionary. The name of the second dictionary is data1. So this way you can copy data. The another way is that, let's say here only 3 key values are there, but in future if you want to extend your dictionary to 5 values, so let's say name, age and city we are storing, I want to store phone number of the person also. So how you can do like that? So here you can write data, the name of the dictionary, then in square bracket you need to mention the key, new key value. So let's say here contact number and equal to, I'm storing contact number as whatever. Okay, so let's run it and then print it. So here you can see that at last contact number is added. So same way you can add multiple items, so as per your wish. So this way you can copy data from one dictionary to another dictionary, and you can append data in the existing dictionary like that. Now let's see how we can use dictionary method in nested dictionary. So let me show you here. Here I have a dictionary which store the 5% information, and I want to see only the name of all the person. So let's say Alice, Bob, Charlie and David I want. So how we can do that? So whatever data I want from the dictionary, I will store it in a list. So I initialize a list with the empty list. Then since I need to iterate each value one by one, so I need to use the loop. So this way you can use a loop. So for, and I take one variable key from in people data. So in operator basically iterate dictionary. Okay, so here whatever the first people data will be there, it is assigned to the person 1. So here first person 1 will be assigning to key. Then I want to extract a name. So here from people data dot get method. And what I want from a key, it is a dictionary, as we say that entire thing is a dictionary. And then I need to write dot get and name. So basically get method will get the particular item from the dictionary, but since It is a nested dictionary, so I need to write the dictionary name, then get. And inside that, I want only key values. So key, and initially it's a blank thing, but I want it inside that. So first it will assign Alice inside that, then Bob, then Charlie, David, and so on. And then I will append that inside a list. So the list, initially it is empty, but automatically we will append it. So let's run it. So this way you can get all the names from the dictionary. So let's say I want to get the city value. So instead of name, you can write city. So all the city value will be printed and it will be assigned into one list. Okay, same way for occupation also you can do that. So you can try out that. So this way you can use different dictionary method in Python. You may have a question, why there is a need of dictionary? So let me tell you one real life scenario. Let's say you are getting data in a JSON file. So as you know that JSON data structure is looking like a dictionary. So here if you have ever seen the JSON data, you can see that JSON object has a key and value concept. So same concept is applicable in a dictionary. So if you are dealing with the JSON data, then dictionary data structure is a best fit for dealing with the data. Now let me tell you what is the difference between list and the dictionary. So let me tell you the difference between list and dictionary. So first difference is that list is a ordered collection. Ordered collection means first item you can store it at the first position, then second position, and so on. So this is called ordered collection. But dictionary is unordered collection. Why? Because it does not has any index. So this way, with the respect to order, list and dictionary are different. The second difference is that with the respect to storing purpose. So let's say if you want to store same type of item in a single variable, at that time you can use list. But let's say if you want to store different types of item in a one variable, let's say you want to store a person information. So person information can contain name, birth date, age, and so on. So it can be a different type of data. So that at that time dictionary is the best choice for you. The third difference is performance. Since we can say that list performance compared to the dictionary is a higher. Why? Because list store data in an ordered manner. So if we are accessing a first element, we can go and if we want to access the second element, we can increment our index value and immediately we can access that. But in dictionary, the data is not stored in order format, so the performance of a dictionary is less compared to the list. So these are the difference between list and the dictionary. Thank you for choosing KnowHow Academy as a source of your IT knowledge. We are always here to help you to navigate to the tech world. If you have any question, do not feel hesitate to reach out us. Stay curious, keep learning.